Okay, we've got the play field standing up. I don't have the rod on it, mostly because someone else's YouTube video said if you have it on the rod for too long, it could twist the play field a little bit. Evidently that rod is just for something temporary. And this is what they considered a long-term servicing area. So I've got this up because I want to show you how you could remove this. So I've got it tilted up, the back glass is out of course, and you'll see in the middle there's some harnesses that go to what they call Jones plugs that have to get removed. And so let's see. You can see they're going from here into the cabinet, and then let's go there. In the middle are the two Jones plugs into the go into the connector. The wires are color coded. The color code wires match, and they're also sized so that it's a perfect fit. One doesn't fit into the other. Maybe the smaller one fits into the larger one, but the larger one certainly won't go into the smaller one. So there's two of those connectors. They're also wired in such a way that they just kind of want to fit that way, if that makes any sense. The way the wires were dressed, it just fits that way. So you won't have to force anything. Now we're going to go to the back glass because there's a third connector, a smaller one, that you would have to remove from the back box. And it's the one on the left. Let's see, this one right here. Now if you wanted to remove the bottom boards, you would do these three. The bottom board in the bottom of the cabinet, when you pull that out, you'll be taking these guys out. Again, I don't know if you can see it, but the colors match, the sizes match. So theoretically, you cannot get it wrong. And also, you'll see the way the wires are dressed. They kind of want to go that way. So if they didn't go, if you would have to try to force it to go into the wrong way. So now we're going to look at the lower board, and you see that screw right there, and there's another one back there. Right there. When you remove those two, and these three Jones connectors, as well as these connectors, then you can remove that board. It'll lift out, and you can clean it and troubleshoot it and make sure things work from a, I guess what they would call an ergonomic advantage. Just be careful, take your time taking it out in case you forgot something. You're not ripping out wires. That would, the time you save by doing it right, you get the picture. Okay, what we're going to do next in the next videos is look at each, like a scoring motor, counting motors, and make sure things are lined up, line them up if they're not lined up, look at the schematics, look at the notes that the previous owner had. I'll show them to you.